Hi, you've got Mike from Orchard Hill Equipment here, service department. We have a cab tractor here, CK3510 SE. With summer heat comes summer AC concerns. A number of our customers have come in recently with AC concerns during services, have mentioned that the ACs aren't functioning properly or that they're diminished capacity. So one thing that we've noticed with these tractors, not just the Kiotis, Mahindra, John Deere, any brand, is that you end up with a buildup of items in the front end of the tractor here. You've got the nose opened up on this tractor, the air filter is removed. During the summertime, you have catalpa seeds, which this radiator is loaded with. This is your AC condenser. These things will get stuck in there, as well as hayseed. Hayseed is really bad in these things. As you can see, I'm removing the screen right now. This screen has a bunch of stuff in it, whether it be hayseed, dirt, dust, and this customer regularly maintains his tractor. He blows everything out about every 20 hours, but this is a great example of things that'll reduce your AC's capacity due to the high pressure in the system from it not shedding heat properly in the engine compartment. This affects your AC, your transmission cooling capabilities, your power steering cooling capabilities, the cooling in your engine, as well as your AC system. All of these things need to be checked regularly and cleaned out. If you're mowing more than an hour in a field, 2-3 hours at a time, you may want to check these screens more often. This is a prime example of what happens if it's not checked often enough. This AC flickers on and off during operation after about 3 hours of continuous use, and it's because the pressure in the system gets too high and the AC is unable to cool itself. Another thing to check while you're in on these tractors looking at the AC regularly is the air filter. This filter, pretty dirty. So we're going to suggest replacement of this while we're in there, or at least a clean out on it. But this gives you an idea how much dirt is in the front end of the tractor. Just one of those things to check before you bring it in for service. It'll save you a little bit of money to spend a little bit of time, and well, pretty obvious what we're looking at here.